Okay, so welcome to Mathstoria, and let's have this problem. So find the 28th term of the arithmetic sequence. Then from this arithmetic sequence formula, so for a sub n, since we're looking for the 28th term, so therefore a sub n is equal to a sub 20. And for a sub 1, so in the given sequence, this one is a sub 1, then we have a sub 2, and a sub 3. So therefore, a sub 1 is equal to 2k plus 1. Then for n, so since a sub n is equal to a sub 20, so therefore n is equal to 20. And for d, the common difference, so we can find d as a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Then from the given sequence, a sub 2, that's 5k minus 3, then minus a sub 1 and a sub 1, that's 2k plus 1. Then to simplify, so this one is 5k minus 3, then distribute this negative, so this positive 2k becomes negative 2k, and this positive 1 becomes negative 1. Then combine like terms, so 5k minus 2k, so 5 minus 2, that's 3, so we have 3k. Then this negative 3 and negative 1, since the same negative, so just copy the sign and add these numbers. So 3 plus 1, that's 4. So D is equal to 3k minus 4. Then substitute now these values to solve for the 28th term. So for a sub n, that's a sub 20 equals a sub 1, that's 2k plus 1, then plus n, and n is 20, then minus 1 times d, and d, that's 3k minus 4. Then simplify, so we have a sub 20 equals 2k plus 1, then plus, so this 20 minus 1, that's 19, then times 3k minus 4. Then we have now a sub 20 equals 2k plus 1, then plus this 19 times 3. So 19 times 3, this one is 57, so 57k, and 19 times negative 4, that's negative 76. Then combine like terms, so a sub 20 equals, so 2k plus 57k, so 2 plus 57, that's 59, so we have 59k, and this positive 1 and negative 76, that's negative 75. So this is now the 28th term of this arithmetic sequence.